So this is our 8th sellout. Basically every sellout, every student gives up their phone for a day in exchange for talk minutes for soldiers overseas. Every phone donated, we donate $1 to this charity, Cell Phones for Soldiers.
This is our 8th annual sellout, so it's been a running thing in Lake Orion. It's super important to us. We're the only school in the nation that actually puts on this event, so it's a really special thing for us to be able to do this once a year, and especially with everything that's happened over the past few years, it's really important to us to be able to do something that is so important to us.
I think it's important for people to feel like they're a part of something bigger than themselves, and when they see everybody doing it as a whole community, it really brings that like positive peer pressure a little bit.
It's definitely the most fun day of the year, just because nobody's on their phones, so it's a lot. There's like a lot of communication, a lot of talking, just a lot of bonding. It's a really fun day. It's my favorite day of the year.